Welcome to the Oversized channel, your go-to source for innovative and inspiring home design ideas. We are thrilled to have you join us as we embark on a journey to transform your outdoor spaces into extraordinary havens. We believe that every corner of your home, including your patio, deserves to reflect your unique style and provide a welcoming atmosphere. Whether you are looking to build a patio from scratch or simply seeking inspiration for patio design, our channel offers a wealth of tips and ideas to help you create spaces that are both beautiful and functional. Today we are into the charming world of rustic patio design, a style that brings together the best of natural elements and cozy comfort. Rustic design is all about embracing the raw beauty of materials and creating a space that feels grounded and timeless. This approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your patio, but also offers practical benefits such as durability and ease of maintenance. With a focus on authenticity and simplicity, rustic patio design allows you to create an outdoor retreat that is both inviting and resilient, perfect for any occasion. In this video, we will explore how to create a cozy outdoor retreat with timeless charm using rustic design principles. From selecting the right materials to incorporating furniture and decor that exude warmth and elegance, we will guide you through each step of the process. Imagine transforming a patio into a space where weathered wood, natural stone, and soft, comfortable furnishings come together to create a serene and inviting atmosphere. We will share practical tips and creative ideas to help you achieve a look that's not only stylish but also enduring and personal. Grab a cup of tea, relax, and let's dive into the world of rustic patio design. By the end of this video, you will be well equipped to create an outdoor space that's perfect for relaxing, entertaining, and enjoying the beauty of nature. Let's get started on transforming your patio into a timeless retreat. Rustic design is a style that revolves around the beauty of natural materials and the allure of simplicity. Its essence lies in celebrating the raw, unrefined qualities of elements like weathered wood, rugged stone, and artisanal craftsmanship. This design philosophy aims to create spaces that feel grounded and authentic, drawing inspiration from the natural world. When applied to patio design, rustic aesthetics can transform your outdoor area into a serene retreat that exudes warmth and character. Imagine the charm of reclaimed wood furniture, the earthy texture of stone pathways, and the cozy ambience created by hand-woven rugs and natural fabrics. At its heart, rustic design fosters a deep connection to nature, which is reflected in the use of materials that age gracefully and develop a unique patina over time. The emphasis is on creating an inviting and lived-in atmosphere where every piece tells a story. This approach not only enhances the visual appeal of your patio, but also ensures that it remains functional and durable. By incorporating elements like exposed beams, stone fireplaces, and vintage accessories, you achieve a space that feels both timeless and welcoming, that is perfect for enjoying quiet moments or lively gatherings. Embrace rustic design to infuse your patio with enduring charm and a touch of nature's beauty. When designing a rustic patio, Selecting the right materials is essential to achieving an authentic and enduring look. Natural, durable materials are key to capturing the essence of rustic design. Reclaimed wood, for example, is a fantastic choice for both furniture and decking. Its weathered appearance adds a sense of history and character, while also providing a sturdy and eco-friendly options. The unique textures and imperfections found in reclaimed wood contribute to a well-worn, classic aesthetic that embodies rustic charm. Stone is another fundamental element in rustic patio design, offering both functionality and visual appeal. Stone pathways and walls introduce a natural texture that complements the organic feel of a rustic space. Whether you offer rough-hewn flagstones or smooth, polished stones, the earthy tones and solid durability of stone enhance the overall ambience of your patio. Stone elements can help ground the space, creating a cohesive and timeless environment that feels rooted in nature. Wrought iron is a material that beautifully complements the natural elements of wood and stone. Its intricate designs and sturdy construction can add a touch of elegance and historical charm to your patio. Wrought iron details such as railings, furniture accents, or decorative elements offer a classic contrast to the rough textures of wood and stone. By incorporating wrought iron, you can introduce a sophisticated element that enriches the rustic aesthetic while maintaining the overall warmth and inviting nature of the space. Creating a cozy patio retreat revolves around prioritizing comfort while maintaining that signature rustic charm. When selecting furniture, aim for pieces that blend durability with relaxation. Oversized wooden benches are an excellent choice as they provide ample seating and a warm, inviting look. These benches should be crafted from the robust materials like reclaimed wood to ensure that stand up outdoor conditions while retaining their charm. For added comfort, consider pairing them with soft, weather-resistant cushions that enhance their coziness and make the patio feel more like a second living room. Cushioned wicker chairs are another fantastic option for combining style with comfort. Their woven texture adds a touch of rustic elegance, while the plush cushions make them perfect for long, leisurely sitting. Vintage-style rocking chairs can also contribute to the relaxing atmosphere, offering a nostalgic touch and a soothing motion that invites you to unwind. Layering the seating area with an assortment of plush throw pillows and soft, drapey blankets will further elevate your comfort level, encouraging you and your guests to linger longer and enjoy the tranquil surroundings. Additionally, don't overlook the importance of a sturdy wooden dining table. A well-crafted table not only serves as a practical piece of family meals and gatherings but also ties to the rustic theme together. Opt for a table made from reclaimed wood or a robust hardwood to match the aesthetic of your other furniture. Completing your patio with comfortable seating, cozy textiles, and a durable dining area will ensure your outdoor space is both functional and inviting, perfect for enjoying relaxed meals and leisurely evenings with loved ones. Decor plays a significant role in enhancing the rustic feel of your patio. Incorporate elements that evoke a sense of history and warmth, such as antique lanterns and metal garden sculptures. With a vintage design, antique lanterns can provide both illumination and a nostalgic touch. Metal garden sculptures, where their animal figures or abstract shapes, add an artistic element that complements the natural surroundings. These pieces not only enhance the rustic aesthetic but also serve as conversation starters, adding depth and personality to your outdoor space. Incorporate practical yet charming decor pieces like wooden planters or old-fashioned watering cans. The weathered appearance of wooden planters fits seamlessly into rustic patio design while providing functional space to your favorite plants. And when old-fashioned watering can placed decoratively or used as a planter adds a touch of a farmyard charm and practicality. These elements bring a lived-in, authentic feel to your patio, blending utility with style to create a cohesive and inviting environment. Choose natural fabrics such as burlap and linen for cushions and table runners to maintain the rustic theme. Burlap's textured, earthy quality and linen's timeless elegance work well with the rustic style, providing comfort and visual interest without overpowering the space. Use burlap for outdoor cushions or table runners to add a touch of rustic ruggedness. Linen in softer hues can complement these elements and enhance the overall cozy atmosphere. By incorporating these natural fabrics, you tie together the rustic elements of your patio, creating a harmonious and inviting retreat. Lighting is essential in setting the mood for rustic patio, transforming it into a cozy, inviting retreat as day turns into night. Opt for warm, soft lighting to enhance the rustic charm and create a serene ambience. String lights or fairy lights, delicately draped over beams, trellises, or the branches of the trees, cast a magical tinkling glow that makes your patio feel enchanting and intimate. These lights not only add visual interest but also contribute to a relaxed, welcoming atmosphere perfect for evening gatherings or quiet moments alone. To further elevate the rustic feel, incorporate rustic lanterns and candles as a part of your lighting scheme. Place these elements strategically on tables, shelves, or along pathways to provide both functional illumination and a charming glow. Lanterns, with their vintage appeal, add an extra layer of character, while candles offer a soft, flickering light that enhances the overall warmth of the space. For an eco-friendly touch, consider using solar-powered lights, which provide sustainable lighting options while maintaining the rustic aesthetic. These solar lights can be seamlessly integrated into your garden's design, ensuring the patio remains beautifully lit and environmentally conscious. Plants are a fantastic addition to any rustic patio, helping to enrich the natural charm and create a welcoming atmosphere. Choose for hardy, low-maintenance varieties that thrive in outdoor conditions and require minimal upkeep. Climbing vines like ivy or clematis can add vertical interest and soften hardscaping elements, while potted herbs such as rosemary or thyme provide both beauty and practicality. Seasonal flowers is known for their vibrant colors and textures. They can offer pretty bursts of life and cheer to your space. These plants not only enhance the visual appeal but also contribute to the overall serenity and coziness of your patio. complement the rustic theme, select terracotta pots or wooden planters for housing your greenery. These materials resonate with the natural, earthy aesthetic of rustic design and help tie the elements together. Terracotta pots adds a classic, weathered look, while wooden planters can introduce a touch of handcrafted charm. Arrange your plants thoughtfully around the patio, perhaps grouping them in clusters or creating a small garden corner. This approach will infuse your outdoor area with lushness and vitality, enhancing the inviting, rustic character of your patio. And to complete your rustic patio retreat, incorporating personal touches that reflect your unique style can truly make the space feel like your own. Consider adding antique or handmade items such as vintage rug that brings warmth and texture underfoot, or a handcrafted wooden sign that adds a personal rustic charm. These elements contribute a character and individuality to your patio. Making it a distinctive and inviting space. Accessories like weathered garden tools, old wooden crates, or handcrafted pottery can further enhance the rustic aesthetic while providing a cozy lived-in feel. Equally important is regular maintenance to ensure your rustic patio continues to look its best and remains a welcoming retreat. Make it a routine to clean your furniture, check for any signs or weather damage, and address any issues promptly to prevent deterioration. Refresh your plants by pruning and replacing them as needed to maintain a lush, vibrant environment. By keeping up with these simple maintenance tasks, you ensure that your patio remains not only charming and cozy, but also functional and enjoyable for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey to creating a rustic patio design that seamlessly blends cozy comfort with timeless charm. We have explored various ways to infuse your outdoor space with rustic elegance, from selecting the right materials and furniture to enhancing the ambience with thoughtful decor and lighting. By incorporating these tips, you can transform your patio into a welcoming retreat that reflects both your style and the enduring appeal of rustic design. We hope these ideas inspire you to create a beautiful, inviting space where you can relax and entertain with ease. We appreciate you watching and supporting our channel. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more design inspiration and ideas. Your feedback is invaluable to us and we love hearing about your own patio projects and experiences. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll bring you to more creative ways to enhance your home and garden. Happy patio decorating!